my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna wait. I can't be with, no, you can't touch this, ayy. Wish I do rich, my money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah, I'm on that cash,
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial. And I'm going to be showing y'all how to do y'all eyebrows and what material you use to do them. And let's go right into step one. What y'all need to do is make sure y'all face clean, and like what you need in the video, what you need to do it with is this. With the brush, like to brush it in the right direction y'all want it to be in, and it gonna come with this thing like this, like to darken your eyebrows. Yeah, to darken your eyebrows. And step two, step two is darken your eyebrows and making sure it's in the right direction. And step three, you need concealer. Needs concealer, and it's gonna look like this. It's like a little brush on the end. Y'all see? Okay, that's to for the outline of your eyebrow, like to make it dark. Y'all can see it on the side. But yeah, and that's.
On that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna wait. I can't be with, no, you can't touch this, ayy. Wish I do rich, my money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah, I'm on that cash,